where we're staying. Can we just eat the chandelier? Hello, my royal babies. I know you guys have missed me so much. I know I've been hiding, but I'm back and we're doing something big. We are traveling to Nigeria. And I'm saying, holla! In practically a pandemic. It's a bit tight. You need to normally do your COVID test, I think 3 days max before the day you travel, which I'm gonna show you in the next clip. Oh yeah, we're gonna do this. Yes?
I can't put your mouth and put it into your nose.
But yeah, I'm excited. I'm happy to see my family. I'm happy to see my friends. It's gonna be lit. I'm gonna be there for 3 weeks, so this vlog is probably gonna be split into who the hell knows what we're gonna be doing, but we're gonna do it, okay? Don't worry. You're gonna experience, you're gonna enjoy, you're gonna see my country, how party.
Everybody have to party. Everybody have to party. I say whoa, whoa, whoa.
Obviously, I'll update you guys when we start moving. Right now, we're packing our loads. Say hi, guys.
Hi.
So we've just started making our way to the airport. Probably gonna take us an hour. We don't live far from Heathrow, so we'll be there soon. We just checked in and we're ready to go. Yes. So we're gonna go to departures now. We're going in the plane right now. Hello guys, we just finished our 7 hours flight. We're in Dubai.
Away from that disgusting, horrible country known as the UK.
Depressing weather, killing people. No.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
We're making our way to our connection flight. It's probably going to be another 2-3 hours before we fly to Nigeria again. So yeah, let's see what we gonna see in Dubai. Do a bit of shopping. I think that's our plane. Wow. Yeah. As you can see, I'm looking tired as hell. We have another 5-6 hours flight, so hopefully we'll be in Nigeria soon. She just landed now. Yeah, we're literally here, it's so busy. Yeah, they're checking our passport, we're gonna get our suitcase and everything, but yeah, we're here. It's hot, we're sweating, yeah.
Meet me and need to feel like fighting an elephant with a dolphin. Born she one of these gunning the troll shot at me. Reverse your strategy, this could hang with your eulogy. I know the state of mind, but look at the real picture. You have to pay to and fro.
So this is where they want money and stuff.
If like you pass it 100
Shooting
times.
happy.
Pass it 100 times, you pay.
They burn it down then.
Hi guys, as you can see, I am sweating, I am tired. We were in traffic for about 5 hours, but we finally got here. I'm currently at my aunt's house where we are staying. This is where we're staying. Can we just eat the chandelier? No. have to give it to my auntie. Let's go upstairs. Gorge. This house is so gorgeous. Honestly, guys, I'm so knackered. Like, I'm not gonna lie, the journey from London to Dubai was about 8 hours. Then Dubai to Nigeria was 7 hours. So altogether, we traveled about 15 hours. I'm knackered. You can see it in my face. I practically have been traveling for 2 days straight. Like, honestly, I'm going to end it here. If you like this video, like, comment, subscribe. Come on, you know what to do, man. Come on, guys. You know how it is. Great royal wife. Love you, my royal babies.